Hello kids, welcome to Learn Progress Circle. Today we are going to learn letter I, uppercase I and lowercase I. I is for ice cream. I is for ice cream. Okay? I is for iron. I-R-O-N, iron. Iron means space. I is for igloo. I-G-L-O-O, igloo. Igloo means baraf ghar. I is for insect. I-N-S-E-C-T, insect. Insect means keeda. I is for ice cream. I is for iron. I is for igloo. I is for insect. Let's write letter I. Okay. Go to the top and draw a standing line. This is letter I. Go to the top and draw a small standing line. This is lowercase I. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.